Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn RxJS in Angular, first value from versus subscribe. Which one should you use? So, subscribe. The purpose used to stay subscribed to an observable stream, often for the continuous or the multiple emissions. In that scenario, you are going to use it. Returns a subscription object, best used for handling streams over a time like value changes from a form or the data from the WebSockets. In that scenario, you can use it. You must unsubscribe manually or with take until async etc to avoid memory leaks, especially in the components. This, like there's example that this dot use service dot get user, this is the service API service files, and this is a function get user. Here I'm going to subscribe, okay, and gets called every time the observable emits. Okay, so make sure like when to use this one, right? Next one, first value from. The purpose used to get the first emitted value only, then automatically complete. Returns a promise, best for when you just want one time data, like from the HTTP request or one time fetch. No need to unsubscribe it because it automatically unsubscribed, right? So this is an example. Here you can see that best value await first value, this dot service dot get user, and waits for the first emission, then done. Okay, there is an example also. So this is the main difference, multiple values, right? So here you can see that. So in subscribe, yes, but first value from, no. Async await friendly, no, it's not, but first value is async await, right? Unsubscribe needed, yes, but for the first value, no. Best for the reactive streams, and it's best for the one time data fetch. So in that scenario you can use that one, then you have to decide. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.